Hi all, and welcome back to our 14-day Easy Beginner Watercolor Challenge. Today we're on day 9, and your challenge is to paint a flower you've never tried before. So go wild. Something spiky, something tiny, maybe something you can't even pronounce. That's the spirit. I'll tell you right up front, I don't have the video for this one, just the end result. But I've always wanted to paint a lily. And I did use Ellen Cremini Trends tutorial, and I'll put that link in the comments below if you're interested in trying a lily. But you can find your own favorite flower by Googling your flower name, Easy Beginner Watercolor Tutorial, and see what you can find. And as always, let's see the end result on our community blog. So another day down. New flower, new favorite. I kind of liked mine, to tell you the truth. You are growing your own creative garden one petal at a time. We'll see you tomorrow for day 10.